Oh man, I'm hungry. But there's monsters out there. I can't go alone.
Oh,
Charlie,
I like this
soldier,
one.
wake up. Soldier, I either need you to go with me to get a snack, or I need you to wake up Oobi. Like a man, please. Like a man! Apparently Dave is afraid of monsters tonight.
Come on, Dave, let's go.
The snacks. These are fake. These are phonies. I mean, we really need to go into the wild, man. Dave, we talked about this. Now that we have Ed and Kaku staying over for like a week, we can't afford to do anything. We can't afford any, because Kaku already holds a lot of that. Here, Dave, Ed will protect you.
Nah.
I like you, soldier. Come on. Yeah. We need to wake up Grandpa! No. Huh? No, it hurt.
Julian! My Gramsy! Get away from me! I have a taser in my backpack!
Take care of her, Ed. Okay, come on. Yeah. I'm gonna need more people if I can actually get all the way out there into the wilderness, into the kitchen, into the cookie jar. Well, there's only one way to end this, and one way only. Ed. Huh? Ed. Huh? Ah! Like a man!